Alright guys, the Mustang is getting a makeover today. I'm about to drop him off at Pete's upholstery today. So this is the last time I'm gonna see this motherfucker. Black cloth. We'll see. I'm about to drop him off and then come pick him up later. I'm excited for this, man. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I'm gonna give you guys my review later. And yeah. Yup, this is it. The last time we'll see it in cloth. One of the things I didn't like it is because it leaves a lot of this from the pants. But first off, I want to start off, guys, is that I also did the door panels, which was this was all cloth at one point, and the bottom section was black leather, and I was able to put again black leather, red, and now these are the seats. It's beautiful, beautiful. I love it. It's premium quality. The back seats got done too. Again, look at this. It changes the whole thing on the car. And these are also made by Katskin or Katskin, whatever you guys want to say it. Really high quality leather. Later on, I'm gonna get this also red, and then I'm gonna get the this also red with black stitches. So with that being said, guys, if you're looking for an upgrade, I definitely recommend you guys going to leather seats if you guys are a fan of it.